Already downloaded commentary but still no voice or confused about how to download it in eFootball? This video will help you. In this video I will show you how to download commentary in eFootball and also how to fix cannot hear commentary. So make sure to watch till the end. First open eFootball on your device, then click on this extras option. From here tap on game settings. First things first, we need to change some settings before downloading the commentary. Go to graphics. From here follow my settings. In the player graphics option you have to select high or standard. Same goes for the stadium graphics. Now select the highest frame rate according to your device. Now tap on download data option. First you have to download the stadium data from here. I already downloaded it. After downloading the stadium data, tap on commentary language. Now from here select your favorite commentary language. Now tap on download. Now wait here until the download is done. When the download process is complete, the language will select automatically. Now go back and play any match. You can hear the commentary. You need to download the stadium data and make the graphics high. Without this, you cannot hear the commentary in the game. So that's how you can download commentary in eFootball and fix commentary not working problem easily. If this video helped you out, hit the like button and subscribe the channel. Thank you.